Well, some have lived in Pago Bay for over 10 years, some for more than 40. And now, in an effort to prevent the construction of two high-rise condos in Pago Bay, a lawsuit has been filed against the Guam Land Use Commission and the construction company that was contracted to build those condos. Here's more.
The heart of the lawsuit is whether or not the GLUC properly granted a height variance to Wang Feng Corp to build the two high-rise condos in Pago Bay.
The Guam Land Use Commission basically has authorized a developer to build a hotel in an R2 zone that nobody else who lives in an R2 zone will be able to build.
Attorney Levin Camacho, who represents the petitioner, says that a variance, as defined by Guam law, is supposed to be granted based on certain factors, such as to prove that the variance the corporation is seeking must fit in or at least be consistent with other buildings within the community. The lawsuit states that everything around the proposed project, which is a hotel, is a single-family dwelling, and the construction of a 13-story tower is definitely not consistent with those single-family homes. But the lawsuit's main petitioners are residents of Pago Bay, who say they will be most affected by the construction of the towers. Adrian Gogui, a Pago Bay resident for the past decade, is one of the main petitioners.
There's a section there where this 11 and 12-story monstrosities go up. I will be forever impacted by having to look at that thing on a daily basis. Something that I did not plan on doing when I purchased and built my home there.
The lawsuit cites several agencies such as DPW, Guam EPA, Bureau of Statistics and Plans, the Department of Parks and Recreation, the Guam Waterworks Authority, and the Guam Power Authority as all having at least a general concern for the adverse impacts the project will have on the environment.
You have government of Guam agencies that have very real concerns about infrastructure, environmental harm, cultural sites, and beach access. So, based on all of that, despite all of that, government of Guam, the local community, the Land Use Commission decided to move forward with this project, and we're hoping to figure out why.
Pago Bay resident Rosita Salas Brown has lived on Guam for close to 70 years, and in Pago Bay for over 25 years. She says the construction of a hotel will ramp up the traffic on a road that already has major issues, and she urges people who have issues with the construction of this hotel to speak up.
But when you go to the meeting down there, an ITC building, they didn't care about what Adrian said or somebody else say about what they think about it, only with the contractors. Why? Are we the people of Guam are only there for decoration? Are we there just for show off? We are people. We have the right to know what's going on. We have the right to know why what these things going on. Respect us as the elders. Respect the next guy next to me or the next lady, because this is our home.
You can read the full lawsuit on our website at pacificnewscenter.com.